How to get NBA League Pass on Samsung TV. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get NBA League Pass on your Samsung TV. This will allow you to watch live NBA games and on-demand content right from your living room. So let's get started. First, make sure your Samsung TV is turned on and connected to the internet. You can do this through Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Next, press the home button on your remote to access the Smart Hub, and this is where you can find all your apps and services. In the Smart Hub, navigate to Apps, and here you can use the search function to find the NBA app. Simply type NBA in the search bar. Once you find the NBA app, select it and then click on Install to download the app to your Samsung TV. After the installation is complete, open the NBA app from your Smart Hub. You'll see options to sign in or create an account. If you already have an NBA League Pass account, sign in with your credentials, and if you don't, you can subscribe to NBA League Pass directly through the application. Once you're signed in, you can browse the available games and start watching live NBA action or on-demand replays right away. And that's how to get NBA League Pass on your Samsung TV. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on streaming sports. Thanks for watching.